clean your kidney and avoid dialysis by using garden egg leaves. Garden egg leaves contains essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals in good quantity, which play important role in human health improvement. Its botanical name is Solanum macrocarpum or Solanum dasyphilum. It is called Akukọ Anyara in Igbo language, Ẹ̀fọ́ Igbo in Yoruba, and Ganyen Gauta in Hausa language of Nigeria. How to use it to clean your kidney. One, cut the leaves into pieces. 2. Rinse in clean water. 3. Put in a clean pot with clean water. 4. Boil for 10 minutes. 5. Filter in a bottle. Allow it to cool and take a glass cup in the morning and evening. When you urinate, check your urine. You will observe that the salt in the body and some other toxins that can affect your kidney will pass through your urine. Medicinal uses and benefits of garden egg leaves. It improves kidney health, good for pregnant women, promote fertility, can prevent cancer, promote weight loss, serves as blood tonic, regulates the heartbeat, reduce sugar level, helps digestion, prevents stomach ulcers. Side effects. Consumption of garden egg leaves causes no notable side effects unless on those who might be allergic to it. However, it is important to note that too much consumption of uncooked garden egg leaves in large quantity frequently may be potentially poisonous, as Solanum macrocarpum contains glycoalkaloids which stores in the body. However, it is safe for consumption. It is important to share this to friends and family on social media to save a life. Please do subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and if you have any question, please write us. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.